All right, now we're going to talk about the angle that your right arm needs to take when you're playing your bow. So we're going to start by practicing without our instruments, and we're just going to have our bow in our hand. And we're not going to do the proper bow grip right now. Just for practice, make an alligator hand like this and just grip onto the bow at the frog right here. And we're going to have it upside down so that the bow hair is on top, the stick's on the bottom. Okay, now what I want you to do is on your left shoulder, and you're hanging onto the bow with your right hand. Remember, I'm in a video, so I'm probably opposite from you. This is your right hand. Alligator head, hang on to the frog, and then put your bow on your shoulder of on your left side here. And I want you to practice going up and down. So down, up, down, up. This is the motion that you will do when you play with your bow with your violin. Although obviously it'll be a little bit different because it will be the hair on the string. Notice what is happening with my right arm. My elbow acts like a hinge, and the bottom part of my arm is the only thing that moves, okay? So this part stays nice and still, and this part extends and retracts. Also notice that once my arm is extended, my wrist is bent, okay? And then once I come up, it goes the opposite way, okay? Down, up, down, up. Okay, this is really important because when you play with your instrument, you want to keep the bow straight. Here's a common problem. If you have your elbow going back this way when you play, look at what happens to your bow. It's not straight, right? It goes into kind of like an arc. And this is a common issue that students have where they play with their elbow back. Okay, so the proper form is down in front of you using your elbow as a hinge. Okay, let's add our instrument. This is what it looks like. Find lane 2 or 3, get your bow grip that you just learned in order, and watch my arm. Notice how straight that is being kept here. If I put my elbow back, watch. Okay, it plays all kinds of strings. It goes all over the place. We don't want that. Okay, so practice playing some of the open strings using the proper bow direction, keeping it really straight in between the bridge and the fingerboard. Good luck.